Entrepreneurial Opportunity Analysis. 1. Introduction. In today's fast-changing world, starting a business has become an important force for driving economic development and promoting social progress. Whether it's creating new technology or upgrading traditional industries, entrepreneurship is always finding new opportunities and creating impressive value. However, starting a business isn't easy. It's full of challenges and uncertainties. That's why accurately analyzing and evaluating entrepreneurial opportunities is crucial for success. Entrepreneurship isn't just about taking risks in business. It's also a test of intelligence and courage. During this process, entrepreneurs need to deeply understand the market, think innovatively about products, manage teams effectively, and have the resilience to face failure and challenges. In the early stages of entrepreneurship, seizing and evaluating opportunities correctly can help avoid blindly following trends, reduce unnecessary risks, and lay a solid foundation for long-term business development. Looking at it logically, analyzing entrepreneurial opportunities should be based on comprehensive market research, including understanding the needs of the target market, monitoring competitors, predicting industry trends, and knowing relevant policy environments. Through analyzing this data and information, entrepreneurs can identify genuinely promising opportunities and develop reasonable business plans and entry strategies based on their resources and advantages. Additionally, analyzing entrepreneurial opportunities should also cover financial planning and risk assessment. A viable entrepreneurial project not only needs attractive market prospects, but also financial feasibility, including estimating initial investments, predicting returns, and planning cash flows. At the same time, identifying potential risks and preparing contingency plans are crucial, as it helps entrepreneurs respond quickly to difficulties and ensure the steady development of their businesses. That's why this video will dive into various entrepreneurial opportunities and offer guidance and advice on how to analyze them. We hope that by introducing this content, it can help friends preparing for entrepreneurship better understand the market and opportunities, develop more scientific and reasonable business plans, and ultimately achieve success on the entrepreneurial journey. 2. Sources of entrepreneurial opportunities. The sources of entrepreneurial opportunities are diverse and complex. They can come from technological innovations, changes in market demand, social and policy factors, and environmental changes. From a logical perspective, understanding these sources is crucial for identifying and evaluating entrepreneurial opportunities. Technological innovation. Technological innovation is a key driver of entrepreneurial opportunities. With the advancement of technology, new technologies are constantly being developed. These technologies often solve problems that couldn't be solved before, or do so in a more efficient, cost-effective way. For example, the emergence of blockchain technology provides a safer, more transparent solution for financial transactions, leading to the establishment of many related entrepreneurial projects and companies. Therefore, paying attention to technological trends can help entrepreneurs identify entrepreneurial opportunities brought about by technological progress early on. Changes in market demand. Changes in market demand are also an important source of entrepreneurial opportunities. As consumer preferences change, demographics shift, or lifestyles evolve, new demands and opportunities arise in the market. For instance, during the pandemic, there was a significant increase in demand for remote work and online education platforms, providing abundant opportunities for entrepreneurship in related fields. Thus, closely monitoring market dynamics and understanding changes in consumer demand are essential for seizing entrepreneurial opportunities. Social and policy factors. Social and policy factors can also generate entrepreneurial opportunities. Changes in government policies, shifts in social trends, and more can bring about new business opportunities. For example, many countries' emphasis on green energy and sustainable development has propelled the rapid growth of clean energy-related industries. Entrepreneurs who understand these social trends and policy directions can discover and seize corresponding entrepreneurial opportunities. Environmental changes. Finally, changes in the environment are also a source of entrepreneurial opportunities. With increasing global concern about climate change and environmental protection, related technological developments, product innovations, and service model changes have become new business opportunities. For example, companies offering sustainable consumer products or developing energy-saving and emission-reducing technologies have experienced rapid growth in recent years. In conclusion, the sources of entrepreneurial opportunities are wide-ranging and diverse. Entrepreneurs need to have keen market insight and a broad knowledge base to discover and seize their entrepreneurial opportunities amid these changes. By focusing on technological innovation, researching market demand, understanding social policies, and observing environmental changes, entrepreneurs can effectively identify potential entrepreneurial areas and lay the foundation for entrepreneurial success. 3. Evaluation of entrepreneurial opportunities. In the entrepreneurial process, accurately evaluating opportunities is a crucial factor in determining success or failure. The evaluation of entrepreneurial opportunities needs to be conducted from multiple dimensions, including market assessment, technological feasibility, financial analysis, and risk assessment. Each aspect profoundly influences the feasibility and success rate of entrepreneurial ventures. Market assessment. Firstly, conducting a market assessment is a crucial step in identifying whether an entrepreneurial opportunity is worth pursuing. This includes a thorough analysis of the size of the target market, its growth potential, and the competitive landscape. A promising entrepreneurial opportunity typically lies in a rapidly growing market with relatively low competitive barriers. Therefore, entrepreneurs need to gather relevant data through market research to analyze whether the needs of the target customers are being met and identify any unmet needs. Technological feasibility. Secondly, assessing technological feasibility is equally important. This involves determining whether the technology relied upon by the entrepreneurial opportunity is mature, whether the development costs are reasonable, and the level of difficulty in implementation. For projects relying on specific technology or innovation, ensuring the feasibility and reliability of the technology is crucial. This may require entrepreneurs to conduct preliminary technological development tests or collaborate with professionals to confirm the feasibility of technology implementation. Financial analysis. Financial analysis is core to evaluating the economic benefits of entrepreneurial opportunities, including initial investment scale, revenue forecasts, and break-even point calculations. By establishing detailed financial models, entrepreneurs can predict the financial situation of the enterprise over a period, determining whether the entrepreneurial project is economically feasible. Additionally, effective cash flow management is crucial to ensure that the company has sufficient operating funds during critical periods. Risk assessment. Finally, risk assessment helps entrepreneurs identify and prepare to address potential challenges. This includes market risks, technological risks, financial risks, etc., each of which may impact entrepreneurial plans. Through risk assessment, entrepreneurs can formulate risk response strategies such as risk transfer, risk avoidance, or risk diversification, thereby enhancing the enterprise's resilience to risks. In conclusion, the evaluation of entrepreneurial opportunities is a systematic and complex process that requires entrepreneurs to have keen market insights, deep technological understanding, solid financial knowledge, and preparedness to face risks. Through comprehensive and detailed evaluation, entrepreneurs can make wiser decisions on whether to pursue a particular entrepreneurial opportunity and how to formulate a practical and efficient entrepreneurial plan. 4. Entrepreneurship guidance and advice. On the journey of entrepreneurship, entrepreneurs face numerous challenges and uncertainties. To enhance the success rate of entrepreneurship, the following provides a series of entrepreneurship guidance and advice based on argumentative analysis. Resource integration. During the initial stages of entrepreneurship, effective resource integration is crucial. This includes aspects such as fundraising, team building, and technical support. Regarding fundraising, entrepreneurs should explore various financing channels, including but not limited to venture capital, angel investment, government grants, and crowdfunding. In terms of team building, emphasis should be placed on the diversity and complementarity of team members, ensuring a balance between innovative thinkers and strong executors. Technical support is the foundation for ensuring the quality of products or services. Entrepreneurs need to ensure that the team possesses sufficient technical knowledge or establish cooperation with external professional organizations. Market entry strategy. Regarding market entry strategy, entrepreneurs should choose the most suitable strategy based on their product characteristics and market conditions. Differentiation strategy emphasizes the uniqueness of products or services by providing offerings that competitors cannot easily replicate to attract customers. Cost leadership strategy provides relatively low-priced products or services through economies of scale and cost control. Focus strategy concentrates on specific market segments to gain market share through focused efforts. Operational management. In terms of operational management, process optimization and risk control are key to improving efficiency and reducing operational risks. Entrepreneurs should establish and improve internal management systems to ensure the efficient operation of business processes. Simultaneously, establishing risk management mechanisms such as financial risk assessment and market risk analysis can help companies timely identify and respond to potential risks. Moreover, cultivating a positive corporate culture is also an essential factor in maintaining team cohesion and innovation capabilities. Continuous innovation. In today's rapidly changing market environment, continuous innovation is the core of maintaining competitiveness for enterprises. This includes not only continuous improvement and innovation of products or services, but also innovation in business models and market strategies. Entrepreneurs should establish an open innovation mechanism, encourage team members to propose innovative ideas, and collaborate with external resources such as universities, research institutions, and other enterprises to promote innovation together. In conclusion, entrepreneurship is a path full of challenges yet full of opportunities. Through effective resource integration, carefully designed market entry strategies, efficient operational management, and continuous innovation, entrepreneurs can significantly increase the probability of entrepreneurial success and achieve their business dreams. 5. Conclusion and appeal. As our discussion on entrepreneurial opportunities comes to a close, we hope that through the content of this video, we have not only provided practical guidance and advice for friends preparing to embark on the entrepreneurial journey, but more importantly, ignited a passion for exploration in unknown territories and the courage to face challenges. In this era full of variables, entrepreneurship is not an unattainable dream, but a goal that can be achieved through precise analysis and careful planning. Every entrepreneur should possess keen insight into opportunities, the ability to assess risks adequately, and a mindset of continuous innovation and learning. These abilities will be your strongest support throughout your entrepreneurial journey. At this moment, we want to appeal to all aspiring entrepreneurs who are ready to start or are already on the entrepreneurial path. Be courageous in exploration. Do not fear the unknown and change. The greatest innovations often arise from challenging conventions and exploring the unknown. Conduct rational analysis. Beyond passion and impulse, what is needed more is calm and rational analysis. For every entrepreneurial opportunity, comprehensive and in-depth market research, technical evaluation, financial planning, and risk control should be conducted. Continuous learning. Entrepreneurship is a process of continuous learning and self-improvement. The market environment and technological innovations are always changing. Only by continuous learning can you and your business remain competitive. Persist. The entrepreneurial journey is full of challenges, but remember, every failure is an important step toward success. Stay persistent and patient. Continuously adjust and optimize your entrepreneurial plans, and success will eventually belong to you. Finally, we encourage every viewer to embrace change and courageously pursue their entrepreneurial dreams. On this challenging yet honorable path, you are not alone in the fight. We look forward to witnessing your entrepreneurial stories and sharing in your success and joy someday. Thank you for watching, and may every entrepreneur walk their path with firmness and confidence.